Hey there viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today's going to be an update video for Cheapy. Got the engine in, and it is not fully done either. There are no plug wires. The timing is not done yet. The cooling system is not done yet either. Transmission is hooked up. I think I got to adjust the cable a little bit. These are the covers off of Pontiac over here. The interior is still the same. There is a little bit more damage to the front end, and I'll show you that in just a second here. As you can see, there's some more damage down here that I was unaware of. Pardon the dog, guys. He does not know how to be quiet right now. But this whole bracket under here, this whole pan, the bracket itself right here is all done screwed up. Like I said, I'm doing the AC delete, so this is the condenser that's going to come out. The radiator has got to be replaced anyway. Let's see if I get you a shot of that. There you go. Radiator's got to be replaced because I don't trust that. So that's going to have to be replaced. That looks like that goes back a little farther. A lot of movement on that. This, like I said, is going to come out, the AC condenser. I think I'm going to go with the bumper off of the rusty one, or rusty. I'll leave the tag to that above right there. Be sure to check out that video. This coolant reservoir is actually broken right here, so that's going to be replaced. This headlight motor doesn't move, so that's got to be replaced. That motor goes up and down, but it's got to be rebuilt, so I'll look into a rebuild kit. I still got to do a ton of cleaning here. Everything under here is what that's at. I still got to fix this. This is actually missing the plastic piece that holds it on, holds that rod into place. I'm looking to the door sweeps. To be honest with you guys, I'm probably going to end up switching the doors, and I'll show you why here in just a second. There is actually a gap for this window up here. I don't know if there's any frame damage from what's up front. This is kinked inward. If you can see that or not. Might not. But that's kinked inward, and this is all, ruffled here. The gap here is really tight. There's a dent in there. So I think I'm going to change the door, honestly, because I think this door is all sorts of tweaked and screwed up. I don't know if the framing of the vehicle in this corner, this front corner, has been pushed back or whatever, but that's fine. The windshield actually is not cracked. Thank God for that. When you look at this window, when you close the window when it's being down, it's like way out here instead of being up here. Roll this up. Now if you notice right here, that's way out. It's a big gap right here. I'll have to check that out from the wife's 85, see if that's the same. This mirror is broke in back here, so that'll be changed. And when I go to put those doors on, because they are red and they match, and I was able to get the VIN sticker off of this door in one piece. I had to do that for a couple of reasons, because if you look for like a slave cylinder or whatever, they want to know when it was built to 9 of 86 and from 10 of 9 of 85 or 10 of 85. I couldn't tell. That sticker's all wore off, so I had to peel it off, and I was actually able to get it off a couple times now in one piece, minus this little chunk right here. But the information's up here, and I was able to get it just the right way, and this car was built in February of 85. I don't know if you can see that or not, but if you look close, the window is all the way up, and there's a gap right there for this window. So that's another thing that's contributing to this side being kind of bad. I unfortunately broke this trim piece trying to get it off to check this pillar to see if there's any damage here. Luckily, it doesn't look like there is any. But let me show you something here. Now, I have the key right here in my hand. Remember how the speedometer was stuck at like 25 miles an hour? If you watch the speedometer, it goes down to 0. Check the blower motor, that works on all speeds. The switch is a little finicky when you go to high, but ready guys? She cranks and she sparks. you can actually hear it spark. Now you notice the gas gauge is pinged right now, and that is because I took out the tank. Believe it or not, the tank is actually really clean on the inside. If you watch like Ronald Fingers or some of the others, when they go to pull the sending unit out, it's full of rust. Surprisingly, guys, this one's actually really clean. And the pump works. I was surprised. I thought the pump's going to be dead. No, the pump is actually working fine. I didn't hear the relay click the first time we gave this power. I cranked it last night, and then I heard the relay click. The computer's working good. Check engine light comes on, like it's supposed to. The other indicators don't seem to be working right now. That sounds familiar, doesn't it? Sounds like Cherry Blossom, and I'll leave the tag to that above. So, for right now, guys, she's coming. Pretty soon she'll be able to start and drive on her own, and I can't wait. And if you guys want to see more, consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, have a good one. I hate that dog.